Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Acura MDX when your key fob battery is completely dead. This essential method helps you get moving even if your vehicle displays a no key detected message. We will cover the simple, yet crucial, steps to ensure you can always start your car, providing peace of mind in unexpected situations. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. First, you need to gain entry to your MDX. Your key fob contains a small, hidden mechanical key. To access it, simply slide the release lever on the fob and pull the key out. Once you have the emergency key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key to unlock the door, allowing you to enter your vehicle. Once inside, the next critical step is proper key fob placement. Take your key fob and press its back, specifically the side with the Acura emblem, directly against the push button Start on your dashboard. This allows the vehicle to read the embedded chip in the fob, even without battery power. You might hear a small beep, indicating the car is now detecting the key. With the key fob still pressed against the Start button, firmly press down on your brake pedal. Then, push the engine start/stop button as you normally would. Your Acura MDX should now start. Remember, this is a temporary solution. You should replace your key fob battery, usually a CR2032, as soon as possible to restore full functionality and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.